friends, welcome back to my channel, and now you are watching a new video of hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, and amenities of the hotel, and category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by players to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 8.6, which is the fabulous. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Room category. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Category 2. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, facility card, present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. For booking or more details, check link in description box. If you are facing any kind of problems in booking a room in this hotel, then contact us by communicating. We will help you. If you have already visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.